How to fix character AI cannot log in or sign in error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you not being able to log in or sign up to character AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, simply open up your character AI. After you open up your character AI, you should see the sign up to chat or login option. Now, if none of these work for you, what you can do right here is right click on your character AI website and you should see the inspect option. Tap on inspect, and after you tap on inspect, let me just expand this a little here. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is head over to the applications option. After you're here, tap on storage, and after you're on the storage section, scroll down. Now, after you scroll down, you should see the cache option. Make sure that you've turned on this cache storage option too. And here, make sure that you click on including third-party cookies. After you've done all of this and selected each and every one of these, simply tap on clear site data. After you've cleared all of your site data, you can head back and refresh character AI. After you refresh your character AI, try to log in and you will be able to do so. And that is how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.